Amaphoyisa asesifundazweni iNorth West athi lo mkhankaso wasize kakhulu njengoba ekwazile ukubamba nezinye izigilamkhuba okubalwa kuzo nomdlwenguli obese kuphele isikhathi ethungathwa.
We must also indicate that among those people, the people that we arrested, it's a suspect that has actually evaded the arrest for the last 24 months. He is actually a most wanted alleged serial rapist. He was arrested in Leprat. We have also arrested 4 suspects for house robberies in the very same area.
Okhulumela umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi nezokuthutha esifundazweni uthi ziyanda izingozi ezibandakanya abantu abasuke bevela ezindaweni zokucima ukoma.
We also lost the lives of about 3 pedestrians in total. It's a concern because most of these people who are being hit by vehicles, it happens especially in the early hours of the morning, around 12 o'clock midnight, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. And often you discover that they are coming from taverns.
Njengoba amaholiday phasika esephela, kunxuswa bonke abashayeli ukuba belandele imithetho yomgwaqo futhi bengashayeli uma sebekhathele.